In this video, we're going to be talking about UFO gaming. We're going to be checking out the price of UFO gaming to see where it is going, if we've had any major changes in price action. As well as that, we're going to be checking out the Twitter page to see on the weekly update to see what new things has to come for UFO gaming. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 500 subs. As well as that, before investing into UFO gaming, please do your own research as I'm not a financial advisor. So as you can see on CoinMarketCap, UFO gaming is currently down 4.14% over the last 24 hours. You can see we were pretty much consolidating, and we did have a huge impulse up, and then we did have a little choppy bit of price action up and down forth, and then we came back down. We tried to reach back up, but we failed, and then therefore we just dropped below. But hopefully we can recover back up to these equal highs, but we're just gonna have to wait and see. But if we check on the weekly, we can see that we were overall bearish, but then we had a huge impulse up, and then we came back down into the demand zone. Hopefully we can respect this demand zone. Hopefully we can hopefully we can respect this demand zone, and then from this demand zone we can have a huge impulse up. But if we check on the monthly, we can see here that we did reach this equal high, but we failed to break above it, so therefore it acted as resistance, so therefore price came back down. But hopefully from this demand zone we can possibly it's pretty much a strong support demand zone. So yeah, hopefully price does bounce back up from it, but we're just gonna have to wait and see what occurs. But if we check on the quarterly, we can see over here we're still overall bearish, and we're still in bearish territory. We still need to wait for that huge impulse up to break all these equal highs essentially. So yeah, let's quickly check on the overall market. I think UFO gaming is down due to the overall market being down. You can see the overall market is down 1.41% over the last day. You can see the global crypto market cap is at 1.82 trillion. We're well below the 2 trillion mark. I think this is mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin is trading around the 40k region. I think we did slump to around 39k as of today, but you can see Ethereum down 3.34%, BNB down 1.26%. So on the daily, it's looking like the overall global crypto market cap, the overall global crypto market is at a bearish day. We pretty much have a bearish day, but we're just gonna have to continue keep holding all our coins. So yeah, but if we check onto the Twitter page of UFO gaming, we can see that we're close to 150,000 followers. As well as that, they haven't been posting anything major, but apart from this, they did post this today 4 hours ago. UFO gaming fortnightly, the third installment will give you a preview of our new staking dApp front end, the images, and the lore of the two Genesis NFTs, and some uplifting words from the CTO Eric. You can check out on Twitter. You can check out this link on. You can check out the video on Twitter, or you can go on YouTube and watch it. But pretty much the overall things that they will focus on this week was a message from our CTO, a Super Galactic leaderboard, friends list, and guild system. The UFO gaming wallet integration, the preview, new staking front end. They got the Lord, two more Genesis NFTs that they've. I think that they've probably just given a little teaser, but I'm not sure. But they got the Myronox Soldier, and then they got the Zegok Soldier. So yeah, looks crazy stuff. The NFTs over here, you can quickly look. We can see this is one of the NFTs. So 3 of the 10 Genesis NFTs have been revealed. On Friday's Fortnite update, we will disclose 2 more. So the Genesis NFTs appearance will vary according to their level 1 to 4. So the UFO army, which level 4 do you currently prefer? So you got the Incendius, you got Lumina, and you got Violinos. So yeah, these are the 3. And they did release 2 more, so they released 5 altogether of the the Genesis NFTs. And you can see they posted here on the 13th. The rest, the ways to Super Bowl UFO Army. So hopefully from this NFTs and all this new stuff coming in for UFO gaming, hopefully we can have a huge rise in the price. But we're just gonna have to wait and see on how well the NFTs are. But looking on TradingView, if we quickly check onto TradingView, we can look at the overall market price. So as you can see here, we did pretty much have a little accumulation phase if you drop down into the lower time frames. But obviously the lower time frames is a bit more it's not more reliable. It depends, because I think UFO gaming is more long-term investment. So yeah, you can see here that overall we did have accumulation phase on this region, and from here we did have a huge impulse up, and from this impulse up, in my opinion, we're coming back to this demand zone, and then from this demand zone, if it respects this demand zone, we should possibly be making a new high, in my opinion, because we've had a change in character, and then therefore we should be making a new high. So this is a high, and then hopefully we can have a new higher high to show that we are in an uptrend. But hopefully but my main target for UFO gaming is this region, as I think there is loads on loads of liquidity upon this. But we just have to wait and see on how it reacts. But you can see here it did pretty much respect this demand zone. Let's quickly mark it out, so you can see this is another demand zone the market has respected. We're just gonna have to, so that is one demand zone. um that's one demand zone, and then the other demand zone, hopefully if price does uh respect it, but hopefully it does, in my opinion. I feel like it's been too long for UFO gaming to be very, very bearish, and it's about time that we do have some change in character coming through. If we drop down to 4 hour, let's quickly check on 4 hour and see what's been going on with the 4 hour. And still, you can just see here that the price is still very, very choppy. We did let's quickly check into lower time frame. So yeah, you can see that we pretty much made a little accumulation phase, but we failed. I think this is mainly due to the current market conditions of Bitcoin. If we look at Bitcoin, we can see here that Bitcoin is overall bearish. Well, bearish, we did tap into the 39.396 region. So yeah, it's not looking too good, but Bitcoin, we're just gonna have to wait and see how it reacts and how it responds to the demand zones, and see who Bitcoin is going to liquidate. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, as I'm trying to hit 500 subs, and peace.